everyone. The light of knowledge shines brighter when shared. And today this light gleams through every word, rhythm and smile you will see. With immense happiness and gratitude, we welcome you all to the annual presentation of our class 12th HES based on the inspiring theme of altruism, the art of giving selflessly and finding joy in kindness. We are deeply honored to have among us our respected Managing Director, Dr. P.S. Sudan, whose vision and wisdom continue to guide our journey.
A warm welcome to our Vice Principal Ma'am and all our esteemed directors, whose constant support and guidance inspire us all. To all the parents, teachers, fellow mates and junior, your presence adds joy to this celebration. So let us continue with hearts alight and spirit high the annual presentation of class 12th HES on the topic altruism. So now let us welcome Harshita and Janya on stage for prayer.
Where the mind is without fear, and the mind is held high, where knowledge is free, where the world has not been broken up into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where words come out from the depth of truth, where the mind is led forward by thee into ever-widening thoughts and actions, into that heaven of freedom. My Father, let my country awake.
Each morning, the universe whispers, be better than you were yesterday. To awaken our minds and brighten our morning, here is Jaskirat with the thought of the day.
Thought of the day is, the most beautiful footprints are not on the sand, but in the lives of people who felt lighter because we walked beside them. I repeat, the most beautiful footprints are not on the sand, but in the lives of people who felt lighter because we walked beside them.
Where mind meets thought boom, the discussion becomes more powerful when ideas flow freely and understanding deepen with each and every one. Now I welcome my class for a group discussion.
Good morning everyone. Today's discussion is on one of humanity's greatest virtues, altruism, which is selfless concern for others' well-being. In Sanskrit, it is known as Nishkam Seva, which is giving without expecting. As Lord Krishna also teaches us, Karmanya Vadikaraste Ma Phaleshu Kadachan. You have the right to perform your duty, but not to the fruits of your actions. Let's explore how this timeless wisdom inspires a life of service.
Altruism is helping others purely out of compassion, not for recognition or gain. It is love in action, kindness without condition.
Mahatma Gandhi lived entirely for others through truth and non-violence. He sought neither power nor wealth, only freedom and justice for all. His life proves that selfless service can transform nations. He said the best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others.
Nelson Mandela. He spent 27 years in jail for equality and fraternity. His compassion changed the whole nation. That is true altruism. When you have thousands of reasons to think about yourself, but you still think about others.
Lord Krishna himself embodies altruism. He guided, protected and served others without expectation. He urged Arjuna to act selflessly for the welfare of the world. He said, Yoga Karmshu Kaushlam. Perfection in action lies in selfless service. When we dedicated our action to the good of others, we transcend ego and find peace.
Malala Yousafzai, the youngest Nobel laureate, risked her life for girls' education. Her courage shows that altruism is not limited by age or circumstance. She said that one teacher, one child, one book and one pen can change the world.
During the COVID-19 crisis, Sonu Sood became the beacon of hope. He arranged food, transport and shelter for thousands of stranded workers. He sought no reward, only relief for those in pain. His deeds remind us that altruism still lives among us.
Altruism is not limited to great heroes. It shines in everyday acts, helping a friend, sharing notes, feeding a stray animal. Small deeds create ripples of goodness that can change lives. A single act of kindness can brighten someone's entire day.
Science also affirms the power of altruism. Helping others release dopamine and oxytocin, chemicals that make us feel connected and joyful. By serving others, we not only heal them but also heal ourselves.
Today's youth can lead through service, volunteering, teaching, or caring for environment. These actions define real leadership. When young people choose compassion over competition, they embody the future of altruism.
Indian culture has always honored selfless service. From Langar in Sikhism to ancient ideal, Vasudhaiv Kutumbakam, the world is one family. Our traditions remind us that caring for others is the highest religion. Altruism flows through the roots of our civilization.
In Assam, Jadhav Payam turned a barren island into a lush forest by planting trees every day for decades. He expected nothing in return, only a greener planet. His dedication shows how one person's selfless efforts can restore balance to nature and inspire generations.
Thank you everyone for your contribution. We learned that altruism is not just an abstract idea, it is a way of life. It starts with kindness and grows through actions done without any expectation. As Bhagavad Gita reminds us, Paritat idam shariram. This body is meant to serve others. By helping others, do we fulfill the true purpose of being humans. Therefore, before concluding, I would like to share a line that truly encompasses the soul of selfless service. The one who sees all beings as one truly serves the divine. Thank you.
Grace flows where words fall short. Each gesture, a verse of devotion. Classical dance, the art where rhythm meets expression. Now I invite our performers, Janya and Anvi, for the classical dance.
किस ओर चला है तू, क्या पाया नहीं तूने, क्या ढूंढ रहा है तू, जो है अनकही, जो है अनसुनी, वो बात क्या है बता, मितवा कहे घर कहे तुझसे क्या,
Stories are like mirrors. They reflect the light we often forget we carry. This act brings alive the essence of altruism, reminding us that true greatness lies in selfless love and silent kindness. With open hearts, let's witness the message unfold through drama performance.
Some people chase success, some chase fame, but a few rare souls chase something even greater, the happiness of others.
Today we present before you all the story of one such man. A man who turned his struggles into his strength, his pain into his purpose, and his kindness into knowledge. We present before you all the story of the great mathematician Anand Kumar.
Anand, the food is ready. You have been studying since morning.
Ma, read this. It's official. I got selected. Cambridge. Now I can study pure mathematics.
That's amazing. But how will we afford the fees?
Don't worry, Ma. I have research scholarships and we will apply for an education loan. My acceptance letter is my guarantee. I will do something great with these numbers. Not for myself, but for those who don't get the chance that I had.
Scene 2. The bank rejection. Anand's dream required faith. The bank only required collateral.
Mr. Kumar, your acceptance to Cambridge is impressive, but it does not pay tuition. Our policy requires substantial physical collateral, property, assets. You have neither. This loan is too high a risk.
But ma'am, I am offering my entire future as collateral. My career starts the moment I graduate.
I'm sorry. Dreams are not considered collateral. Application denied.
Talent has no price, but the system does.
Scene 3. The financial grind and the golden offer. With the dream gone, survival took over. They used every resource they had, earning just enough to put food on the table.
Anand, we sold 8 packets today. That's enough for tomorrow's rice.
We are good at these numbers. Ma, we just can't escape them.
The coaching director, dressed smartly, approaches the stall.
Are you Anand Kumar?
Yes, I am.
You're a brilliant mathematician, so why waste your talent here? Come, I'll pay you top salary, better than any bank loan, if you teach at my academy. Only the rich can afford quality education, and you deserve to be compensated.
A high price for selling my soul.
Beta, but we need to eat.
Okay, I accept.
Scene 4. The commercial cage and the new mission. Anand is teaching the class.
And by applying the Laplace transform, the solution becomes evident. Are there any doubts?
Sir, can we please get the shortcut formula? The derivation is taking too long.
No, you must understand the why, not just the how.
Ganesh, his friend enters counting a huge bundle of cash.
Anand, look, your share. The institute owner is said you are a genius. Teaching these rich kids to crack the exam, you're finally earning.
Keep it, Ganesh. I feels like caged bird. I am selling my gift to those who don't even respect it. My heart is not here.
The boy who once couldn't afford his own dream now began teaching those who couldn't afford theirs.
We are poor. We have no ACs, no fancy textbooks, but you have something that even money can't buy. The hunger to succeed. We will eat together, sleep on these mats, and study until we break the IIT entrance exam. Here everything, the coaching, the food, the shelter is free. This is Super 30.
Sir, my son Pranav is bright, but I am a maid. How can I repay you?
Ma'am, your son's success is my only payment. Don't worry, he will have a future. This is the only return I seek for this altruism.
Scene 5. The challenge of doubt. Selflessness always breeds suspicion in a selfish world.
Inspector, are you sure this teacher is legitimate? My son Pranav spends all day here. This free coaching sounds too good. He must be plotting something.
We are looking into it. Nobody in the city gives away valuable coaching for free. It usually involves a scam. He's taking a big risk with these kids' futures.
See, Anand, the whole neighborhood is suspicious. They think only corruption is real.
Ma'am, the only plot here is the graph of the... Ma'am, here the only plot is the graph of your son's potential. I am investing my time, not for money, but to correct an injustice. Poverty should not steal the talent.
But why, sir? Why risk everything for strangers?
Because the greatest reward is not what you receive, but what you give. That is the true spirit of altruism.
Scene 6. The attack. Anand is reviewing notes. Minister Chauhan enters with 2 goons.
You are teaching the slum kids for free? I won't allow it. My coaching center charges a fortune. Stop this immediately.
Money can buy comfort, not satisfaction. Their success is my only reward. Minister, you cannot buy knowledge or crush the spirit of helping others.
Sir, please stop. They are just targeting you. Let them win.
No, Ravi. Whenever someone tries to light a lamp, darkness always tries to blow it up. I will protect this light until it ignites the 30 suns.
Scene 7. The result and recognition.
I am Ganesh, a reporter. Your teacher's dedication looks inspiring. Whatever happens, the world needs to know this story.
Sir, we did it 30 out of 30. All 30 got into an IIT.
Thank you so much, sir. You kept your promise. You showed me what true wealth is.
You proved that dreams does not belong to rich, but they belongs to those who dare. This is not my success. It is the success of selfless service.
In an era defined by greed, Anand Kumar chose compassion. Today, 30 students prove that the greatest return on investment is how you impact others' lives.
In a world chasing fame and fortune, Anand Kumar chose compassion and change. This is true altruism.
Now I welcome Jana and Navneet for the Gujarati folk dance.
Music knows no language. It simply flows through our hearts. Now, let's welcome Chetna for her melodious English song.
But we just keep on fighting and we never look back. Here we go, 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 let us heal and grow. You won't be alone, we are unstoppable. Not be afraid to show what we're going for. This is what we know.
and breathe in. Standing up, everybody's gonna see it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. Even if we fall, we will rise up and we follow the path that we believe in. No, we're not gonna stop until we reach it. Oh, all you need to know is that we're holding on. We rise up from the dust and claim our home. Thank you.
Hindi poetry carries the fragrance of language and the depth of culture. Let's welcome Janya and Anvi to recite a beautiful Hindi poem.
देने वाला ही जिया था पाके वो आशीष देखना फैसला कर दोगे आखिर दान में बाद मरने के नजारा देखना
मरने पे अगर दिल किसी के लग गया धड़कनों में बसा रहेगा देखना देर मत कर देकर देख जरा दिल सज्जर सा बन रहेगा देखना
बंदगी बिल्कुल जरूरी है नहीं है आदमी सा देखना कह गया निरंतर काम कर नाम जपना बांट खाना देखना
दे रही है कुदरत हमेशा प्यार से कुछ नदी सा कुछ सज्जर सा देखना देर कटना ठीक तो होगा नहीं घट रहा पल पल तमाशा देखना
सुन पवन पल पल नगाड़ा बज रहा कुछ तो तू भी करेगा देखना धन्यवाद
Music without words, yet full of emotions. The instrumental symphony touches our soul and turns every silence and sound into something divine. So let us all soak in this harmony while Pragati enchants us with an instrumental performance. Music is the language that heart speaks when words cannot. So let us welcome Chirag on stage for Hindi song.
वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार जीना इसी का नाम है किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निशान किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार जीना इसी का नाम है माना अपनी जेब से फकीर साल के लिए हो जिंदगी, किसी को हो ना हो हमें तो एतबार, जीना इसी का नाम रिश्ता दिल से दिल के एतबार का, जिंदा है हमी से नाम प्यार का। रिश्ता दिल से दिल के एतबार का, जिंदा है हमी से नाम प्यार का। केवल भी किसी को याद आएंगे, किसी के पास को मुस्कुराएंगे, कहेगा फूल हर कली से बार बार, जीना इसी का नाम है। Thank you.
Poetry is the art of capturing the moment and turning into music. Through music, we travel the world, inviting Nimrat and Mahak to take us on their journey through a beautiful English poem.
Altruism is a flame that asks for none, yet lights in others' way till the darkness is done. It gives without counting, without keeping score, and somehow ends up becoming even more.
It doesn't wait for applause or fame. It lifts another without asking a name. A steady hand when the world turns cold. A sheltering heart worth more than gold.
It stands beside someone, breaking inside, not to win for them, but to stay by their side. Not to end the battle or silence the night, but to whisper, "You're not alone, I'll share the fight."
For when life looks back on the paths we paved, it wouldn't count what we kept, but what we gave. The greatest success is not how high we rise, but how many rise with us before the journey dies. Thank you. Feel that make harmony, reflect more joy. Let's welcome our classmates for group dance.
दबी दबी सी हंसी होठों पे फंसी है, गुदगुदी कर रही हवा, हल्ला मचा रही है पागल सी ख्वाहिशें, खुशियों की मिली है वजह। कुछ है जुनून सा, कुछ पागलपन है, तो बातें करता ये बुद्धू सा मन है। कुछ है जुनून सा, कुछ पागलपन है, सो बातें करता ये बुद्धू सा मन है। बाकी है।
Speaks best through the voices that live them. So I welcome on stage Namita and Kashish for farewell speech.
Respected MD Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends, a very warm morning to everyone present here. Today is one of those days we knew would come, but one never would be prepared for. आज हम क्लास 12 साइंस के स्टूडेंट यहाँ खड़े हैं तो ये समझ आता है कि एक फेयरवेल नहीं बल्कि 12 सालों की सफर की यादें हैं.
This journey was filled of numericals, formulas, derivations and countless memories. School life for science student was never easy. Physics ने हमारी patience test की और chemistry के reactions ने balance सिखाया और maths ने तो हमें life की सबसे बड़ी सीख दी that every problem has a solution, बस correct logic और consistency चाहिए.
One of the most special parts of the journey was being a part of our school competitive set. Whether it was JEE, NEET, CLAT or IP-MAT, this still taught us something beyond formulas and facts. So I would like to take this moment to thank our respected teachers. आप सब हमारे teachers नहीं बल्कि motivators, mentors और guiding lights रहे हैं.
Some of our best memories were made outside of these classrooms. Who can forget our Manali trip? Waking up early, still being late, and dancing in the bus as if there was no tomorrow. Then came Nainital, cold lakes, calm winds, and countless memories.
As we step out of these school gates, a new phase of our life begins. Exams, career responsibilities, and dreams. Before ending these, we would like to share our emotion through a poem.
रोल नंबर से पहचान बनी, प्रेजेंट सर से हुई सुबह की शुरुआत. होमवर्क का बहाना, लेट आने का प्लान, and the last benchers with always full confidence stand.
From proxy plan to exam qadar, important question never really work. Major test ने रुलाया, पर result ने हंसाया, पर हर फेल और पास ने कुछ तो सिखाया.
Teachers की डांट sounded scary, but a life without them very very dreary. उनके ताने, advice and silent care shaped us for a world that's tough and unfair.
दोस्ती जो started with pen है, आज वो family से कम नहीं. Canteen के jokes, corridor की fights, turning ordinary days into life highlights.
अब यूनिफॉर्म आयरन करने का स्ट्रेस खत्म, पर स्कूल के बिना लगता है कुछ कम. We joked, we laughed, but अब दिल मानता नहीं, यह गुड बाय कुछ ज्यादा ही heavy लगता है. So here's to the class who broke some rules but still became decent, hopeful fools. Funny memories, emotional goodbyes. Class 12 signs off with a smile and a teary-eye. Thank you.
Now I request practicing of our class to recite a self-composed poem. ये सफर एक दिन में शुरू नहीं हुआ था. पहले दिन बैग भारी थे, दिल उससे भी ज्यादा. और सच कहूँ हमें भी नहीं पता था कि हम किस चीज़ के लिए साइन अप कर रहे हैं. फिर सब्जेक्ट्स बदलते गए, क्लास बदलती गई और धीरे धीरे न जाने कब हम भी बदल गए. हमारा स्कूल सिर्फ बेल्स और प्रेयर्स तक लिमिटेड नहीं था. हमारे लिए ब्रेक भी ब्रेक नहीं होती थी. जब सब बाहर ग्राउंड में खेल रहे होते थे तो हम सीसी ऑफिस में बैठे होते थे. कभी क्वेश्चन से लड़ रहे होते थे, कभी खुद से। हॉलीडेज आई पर सफर रुका नहीं, हम फिर भी स्कूल आते थे, कभी मन से, कभी सिर्फ आदत से, कभी मजबूरी में। इस बीच बहुत सी रुकावटें आई, थकान भी आई, कभी कभी तो लगता था सब छोड़ के भाग जाए, कभी मन करता था कि बस अब और नहीं होगा। फिर भी हम रुके नहीं, आगे बढ़ते गए। शायद इसीलिए क्योंकि इस सफर में हम अकेले नहीं थे, और आज जब पीछे मुड़कर देखते हैं तो समझ आता है इस सफर में सिर्फ चैप्टर्स नहीं थे, सिर्फ मेजर की रैंक्स नहीं थी। इस सफर में लोग थे, आवाजें थी, वो छोटे छोटे पल थे जो आज सिर्फ याद बन चुके हैं। तो अगर पूछो हमसे कि क्या याद आएगा हमें, तो 12th एस का हर एक बच्चा सिर्फ यही कहेगा, याद आएगा हमें जब जब हमारी रिवीजन कम होती थी, जब जब काम अनकम्प्लीट रह जाता था, तब अंजलि मैम का बेटा इट्स हाई टाइम नाउ, गेट अप कहकर हमें फिर से सही रास्ता दिखाना, टाइम की असली कीमत समझाना। याद आएगा हमें संजय सर का हर सवाल कहानियों की तरह समझाना, एक ही डेरिवेशन को 3-3 तरीकों से कराना, और नींद में भी सिर्फ उनकी बातें ही सुनते जाना, और फिर लास्ट में एक ही लाइन को बार बार दोहराना, रिश्ता वही, सोच नहीं। याद आएगा हमें सचिन सर का भरी क्लास में हमें रोस्ट करना, फिर एकदम से जोक समाट ऑन अ सीरियस नोट बोलकर हम सबके लिए डैमेज कंट्रोल कर देना, और अगर हम फिर भी ध्यान न दें तो प्रैक्टिकल्स में नंबर काटने की धमकी देना। याद आएगा हमें रविंदर सर का हमारे सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर को 0 बताना, हर बात पर अपने जमाने की कहानियां सुनाना, कोई फिर भी ना सुने तो पीटीएम के नाम से डराना। याद आएगा हमें सीवी सर का हमेशा हमारी वजह से अंजलि मैम से डांट खाना, हर टफ क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करके यही चाहिए बोलकर हमें मोटिवेट करना। और जब भी क्लास में हम मस्ती करते थे, नंबर देखे तुम्हारे मेजर के, करो फोन पापा को, बोलकर हमें चुप करा देना। फिर भी हर पीटीएम पे हमारी सारी गलतियों पर पर्दा डाल देना। याद आएगा हमें आभा मैम का हर क्वेश्चन को बोर्ड का फेवरेट क्वेश्चन बताना, ये क्वेश्चन 100% आएगा, बोर्ड का फेवरेट। और क्लास में शोर होने पर बोलना, बेटा अभी तुम्हारा ध्यान नहीं है, फिर तुम करते हो कि तुम्हें कुछ समझ नहीं आता। मैथ्स जैसे बोरिंग सब्जेक्ट को अपनी कूल टीचिंग से फन और इंटरेस्टिंग बनाना। याद आएगा हमें रजनी मैम का हर शरारत पर बाहर निकलो क्लास से बोलकर हमें क्लास से निकालना, हर बात पर हमें उनका दुष्ट प्राणी बताना, कागज और कैनवस से पढ़कर हमारी जिंदगी में रंग भरना सिखाना। याद आएगा हमें अंकिता मैम का हर कोड 10 बार समझाना, पाइथन और जावा से आगे हमें सोचने का तरीका समझाना, और कभी हमारा ध्यान पढ़ाई में कम स्क्रीन में ज्यादा हो तो नालायकों पढ़ लो बोलकर हमें वापस लाइन पर लाना। याद आएगा हमें शालिनी मैम का बाजवा मैम के नाम से डराना, और क्लास में मस्ती करने पर पीछे दीवार के साथ जाके बैठ जाओ बोलकर हमें क्लास के पीछे बिठाना, और हंसी मजाक के बीच ही हमें हमारी लाइफ को ट्यून करने का सुर सिखाना। याद आएगा हमें बाजवा मैम का बस कॉरिडोर में आ जाना और हर तरफ के शोर का अपने आप शांत हो जाना, बिना कुछ बोले बिना कुछ कहे सिर्फ मौजूदगी से डिसिप्लिन का पाठ पढ़ाना। याद आएगा हमें वंदना मैम का लाइब्रेरी में बस नजर उठाकर चुप कराना, फूड कोर्ट वाले भैया का एग्जाम्स के बीच भी आज क्या लोगे पूछ लेना। याद आएगा हमें करण सर और गणपत सर का हर बेल के बाद हमें क्लास में धक्का मारना, जब जब हम कभी कहीं घूम रहे होते सबसे पहले पकड़ने आना। याद आएंगे हमें पूजा मैम, समीर सर, जरीना मैम, हितेश सर, यशस्विनी मैम, जेनिफर मैम, अमन मैम और वो कई सारे चेहरे जिनके शायद शायद मैं आज नाम ना ले सकूं, पर जिनकी मौजूदगी हर दिन हमारे आसपास थी, जो कभी चुपचाप, कभी बस ये पूछकर कि सब ठीक है ना, हमें संभालते रहे। याद आएंगे हमें वो सारी दीदियां, वो सारे गार्ड्स, वो सारा स्टाफ, जिनकी आवाजें हम सुनते तो रोज थे, लेकिन शायद कभी ध्यान से नहीं सुनी, जो गेट पर खड़े रहते थे, कॉरिडोर्स की सफाइयां करते रहते थे ताकि हमारा दिन थोड़ा आसान हो जाए। शायद आगे भी बहुत कुछ सीखेंगे, बहुत से लोग मिलेंगे, बहुत सी यादें बनाएंगे, बहुत से नए डर मिलेंगे, लेकिन जो यहाँ सीखा, यहाँ पाया, वो शायद दोबारा नहीं मिलेगा। इसलिए आज आखिर में बस इतना कहना है, याद आएगा हमें, ये स्कूल बहुत याद आएगा।